this is what we got in the mail. Very cool. Let's crack this open, shall we? I'm going to break out my favorite tool. I use this every day. Oh, what do we got? Oh, I have a nice gift. Oh, there. Let's see. We got a bag of peanuts. Oh, look at that. My squirrels must have ordered some peanuts. This is what we got. An action camera.
Holy moly!
DJi Osmo Action 3. Ooh, I'm so excited. Comes with 3 batteries and all the parts I need. Let's check it out. Ta-da! Look how small this thing is. Holy mackerel, that's small. That's amazing. So it comes with the camera. This is the battery pack. And it should have some batteries. 3 batteries. Nice. These are the best long-lasting batteries I've seen on YouTube reviews. Oh, everything's falling out. Holy mackerel. Comes with some kind of a key. So this is connects to any kind of selfie stick. This is what I love. You see how it goes there? I could already feel the magnetic pull, but it locks in. So you got both options. Wow, that's a strong magnet. I can't believe it. And it locks in. So now you got one view screen, 2 view screens, and it comes with this. That's your camera. It has a sensor here, and it has microphones all around it. So another thing that's cool is that you can actually, let's see, push and pull down. Okay. You can put a USB in there. That's a C size. So that's really cool. There's so much to this camera, you know. And here's another one. You've got push down and push up. Push down and slide it up. That's where the battery goes. Very cool. So let's pop out one of these batteries. They're not fully charged, so I don't know if I should, maybe I should charge them first. See how it has a USB? So this whole thing is a power bank, which is really cool. So I got to plug this into the cord. That's pretty easy. Look how small, I can't get over how small it is. How do you open this damn thing? There seems to be a lip here. Maybe not. Forget it. Trying to be all. So this is a casing, and the casing works like this. How does the casing work? Does it go that way? That way? I don't know. Oh, the button. So there's a button here. So you align the buttons, I guess, and put it on the casing. Nope. Oh, it's got a latch. Forgot about that. So you got to undo the latch. Oh, that was pretty easy. And then lock it. So now I can do a mount here, make it horizontal, or I can mount it here. No, here. And make it a vertical for TikTok or Instagram, which is really cool. Alright, so that's really nice. Here's another one in backup mounts. Comes with a rubber for the lens. So this rubber is a spare and goes around the lens. Some say it's for unscrewing your lens. That's what some say. If you want to get a grip. Oh, that's not very good. I get it. Wow. I don't know how this locks. Or maybe it goes that way. Ooh, that hurts. Okay. Maybe not. I'll have to figure that out later. I'm gonna have to go into detail of how to work the program. There should be a selfie stick here in the box, so there it is. And I gotta upgrade the firmware on here so I can hook it up to my camera, my phone. So this is the selfie stick. Oh boy. Oh boy, how does this work? I thought it was supposed to pop. Oh, there we go. Pops up. Wow, that's longer than I thought it would be. It just keeps going and going. That's the full extension right there. Wow. I don't know how long that is, but that's long. That's pretty cool. I like that. And it's solid. It's light, but it feels really, really solid. This is to screw onto a tripod, so I can have my camera on a tripod, I guess. Wow, there's so much to play with here. But I just wanted to just do a basic opening of my first ever action camera. I've never had one of these before. I've looked on YouTube, dozens and dozens of reviews, comparison videos of GoPro versus this brand here, DJi, and GoPro is the most purchased one. They're the leaders, but DJi is closing right up. A lot of GoPro people are letting go of their GoPros and they are taking on DJi instead because it's a lot less expensive and it has a lot more user-friendly functions on here. It's quite impressive. I'll put up some details later once I get used to what I got here. Aha, miigwech kano, yeah. And talk to you later. Miigwech. You're a good looking cat. Yeah, you're a good looking boy. Step over here. buddy. You're done. It's okay. Uh-oh, there's a big doggy. Okay. Is he friendly? Oh.